there, it's Alex from WTI. Do you find it's hard to look stylish and keep warm at the same time? I have a solution for you with this hat, glove, and scarf combo set from Honnesserry. I gotta start off by saying how soft this material is. It feels so comfortable on my skin and never itchy. The beanie and gloves are fleece lined, so there's even more softness and warmth. I personally love the look of the two-tone black and gray. I feel like it goes well with so many outfits I have. The set is described as one size fits most. I have larger hands and the gloves fit nice. So if you're looking to get this set for a man, there shouldn't be a problem with fit. Here's my dad wearing the gloves and they fit him no problem too. The gloves have touchscreen fingertips, so accessing your smartphone is not an issue. And I really appreciate the look of the leather branded detail on the glove and the hat. It adds an element of elegance to this cozy and stylish set. I got these accessories for myself, but I think that they would make a superb gift because of all the great features this set has to offer. I stay warm and stylish with this lovely trio of winter accessories from Honnesserry, and that's my point of view.